This is part 2 of Vicious Dogs on Survival. First things first, my name is J.O. Miller, and I am here to introduce you to Dogs on Survival. Come around here with me. We're about to walk and meet the second specimen called the Tyson. On the last episode, I showed you what he likes, what he eats, and what he hates, which I think I forgot to tell you, actually. Well, he likes to sit in between your legs, and he really, really hates vegetables. Like, he's worse than a kid that hates broccoli and cheese. Like, really. Isn't that, like, weird? Totally. But one of the dog's first enemies is the cactus. The most vicious, pointy Skrillex. And Survival. These cactuses are strong, but even a touch can hurt you. And the dogs, dogs are like predators to sometimes a native bird of New Zealand called the kiwi. But now he just enriched, and they are also predators to the cat. They beat up cats and chase cats, and apparently I've heard they push them in front of doors sometimes. Isn't that horrible? Well, this is the last bit of Survival about dogs.